Hi guys, this is Jilly
and Lynn from Delicious Korea. Today we are gonna make Kimbugak, which is Korean traditional seaweed snack. Kimbugak went viral through a famous Korean TV show named Youn Yuh-jung. We'll refer their recipe today.
Here are the ingredients. Rice paper, dried seaweed, boiled water, tofu, olive oil, citron honey tea, soy sauce, perilla oil, sesame seeds. But today, we're gonna use citron honey tea instead of orange marmalade. You can find seaweed and citron honey tea in Amazon.com. Okay, let's get started.
First, put a rice paper on a dried seaweed. If their size is too different, you can cut it like we did. Sprinkle sesame seeds over the dried seaweed. Dip the rice paper in water. And put it on the dried seaweed. And then microwave it for 20 seconds.
After it is heated, cut it into a few small pieces. Using scissors will help a lot. Hey Lynn, you're not good at cutting, you know. Now we're gonna fry it. Heat the pan. Pour enough olive oil so we can fully soak the dried seaweed. Lower the heat and put the pieces into the oil. Flip the pieces when you see them shrink. Before they get too brown, which means they are going burned, pick them up.
Now we make the bean sauce that really goes together well with Kimbugak. It's easy. Put the rest of the ingredients into the blender at once. Tofu, citron honey tea, perilla oil, and soy sauce. Grind them all. When they get stuck together inside a blender, scrape them with a spoon and try it again.
Or, if you don't have enough time, just get this on Amazon.com. So, this is our first video from Delicious Korea. Today, we made seaweed snack in an easy way. In fact, the typical way of making seaweed crisps is a little different, isn't it, Lynn?
Yes, we usually use rice powder instead of rice papers. But since we are beginner cooks, we just tried a different way. How was it?
Well, it wasn't easy enough for me. We went through a lot of trial and error to get this video. I wonder if you guys like this recipe. Please leave comments below if you have anything to share with us.
And thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
We'll be back soon with another video. Until then, bye!